Okay.
I don't think she's gonna do it again.
Emily, if you can repeat that. Like that.
Okay. I can't. No, I'm already smiling. I can't do it.
And you look down and don't smile.
No, I can't.
Is she recording now?
It's not my fault.
Look down. Look down. Okay.
I can't.
The extreme blow dry.
Your mouth isn't open.
Just open it.
That's what he said.
I'm dying of participation, that's for sure.
I just don't understand. I don't. No.
What the heck?
That's the face! And we lost it. That's not the face.
I wasn't trying to make it.
This is YouTube worthy. Get out there! Leave it to me.
Emily Daywig loves Matango.
Oh, put on YouTube.
We're gonna make it on
funny?
Facebook.
It'll be funny if someone's calling up like right here and you just try to pop the camera.
And he's not allowed to subscribe to your page if he's a YouTuber, because then you'll see this. And then if he does see this,
Did you ever tell him?
no. What about what?
Remember, you're supposed to be like, hey, Trevor.
No, I didn't do any of that. I walked past him, and that was it.
Yesterday was Thursday.
I would like to talk to him, but I don't know what to say.
Is this like a confessional now?
Yes, because if he sees this, maybe
We are not in a Catholic church. What is wrong with you?
Oh Lord, forgive me for I have sinned.
She likes the hands.
Oh Lord, give me guidance. On the hands?
Pedophile.